I turned my logo into a clicker. Most of y'all know I have very little experience with 3D modeling, but I found a tutorial from HL ModTech that shows you step by step on how you can make your own. I'm not going to recreate his tutorial. I would encourage you to go watch his video because he does a great job of explaining how to make your own. However, I am going to talk about how I got my logo on it. In Bamboo Studio, you could right click on the object and add an SVG of your logo, but you can see it adds it in black and white and you would have to manually paint it. I'm way too lazy to do all that, so instead I used the lightbox that I created a couple weeks ago. Right click on the lightbox object and click split into objects. Once it was separated, I was able to click on the outer ring to delete it. Now I was left with my colored logo. I didn't want to accidentally separate the parts of the logo, so I went back to the object list, selected all of them, merged them back together. Now I needed to get the logo aligned with the top of the clicker. I used the resize tool to check the dimensions of the clicker, and then I changed the size of the logo to match on the X and Y axis. Make sure uniform scale is unchecked because you don't want to change the Z height. Once they're the same size, you can line them up. Same concept as before, now I'm just matching up the coordinates of both objects. I need the clicker to print on top of the logo, so I noted the Z height of the logo was 0.38. Bamboo Studio won't let you print an object in the air. I trick it by adding another part to it. Right click and click add part and add disk. Go back to the object list, select just the clicker, and now you should be able to raise that clicker up off the build plate 0.38. Now you should have the logo and the clicker sitting right on top of each other. After slicing, I can see there are 3 layers of the logo and the clicker starts at layer 4. Here's how it printed, and the switch should fit right in thanks to HL ModTech's tutorial. The top also clicks right on in. I don't know if there was an easier way for me to have done this, but I thought it was pretty clever for someone who doesn't know how to 3D model. If you missed the how to make a lightbox video, which you'll need to know if you want to do it this way, that video was posted about 15 to 20 videos ago. I'll also try to link it below. Thanks again to HL ModTech for the awesome tutorial on how to make the clicker. Be sure to go check that out and give him a follow.